Hi dear students, welcome to our video and information about the National Unplugging Day.
When will we make these activities?
To celebrate the National Unplugging Day, we wanted to do some activities. For all the students of the school will be made a grateful activities. It will be performed during after class in our establishment, the school Luis Campino.
Specifically on the FM lounge on Wednesday 20th in the afternoon. What will we do?
To commemorate and celebrate the Unplugging Day, the activities that will be do, disconnect the students from the technological advices will be had as a purpose this activity. We wanted to do a lot of activities, specifically artistic activities like paint or handicraft, suitable for all ages, with different themes and games related to the art. The ambient will be being relaxed to disconnect and you can feel it comfortable and exciting. Why we are going to do it?
Lately, we have been noticing that art is not considered in schools. It's well known that art is a good form of de-stressing and relax. Keep ourselves unplugged and take a minute for ourselves would be helpful.
How we are going to finance it?
A completada is going to be done to finance this activity. Also, we are going to sell food and other snacks on Wednesday 4th of November, just after class, like a lunch for the students. This would help us to gain the money that we need to buy the materials.
Thank you for listening.